Hey Pyros, what's going on? Pyro Colts fan 260 here with my last and final update. This is my Great Wall of Fourth. This is just one big one from all my stash videos, just to give you guys a breakdown of what's going on, how I'm going to do it, kinda. So don't want to take much up of your time, so I'm going to get right into it. Got the daytime colors right here, all the ground stuff, a lot of the kid stuff. So that'll take up most of the day. Yeah, I got the fuse right there. So to start the show, got the 200 gram show. Gonna get that started. So on my first wall, got the wall bangers right here. Yeah, everything from the Holy Grail to the OG Master Ganja Thriller. Yeah. And here, Red Dawn, Mario Brothers, Silver Top Banger, Night Watcher, Carolina Coast, all jacked up. Princess, Warrior, yeah, we all know what them are. Rambo's, White Box, good old White Box. Another pack of Rambos. Then the Hammer, the new kid on the block. Right there. Then over here I got my rocket show, the Super Stinger, my Pitassos, my Bonzos, Mega Willows hiding over there in the corner, my Howling Witch, and my Whomping Willows. And I just did a demo of that the other night, so check that out. I got my good old adult crackers right here, my Boom Twos, Bam Bams, Fizzies, Kung Fu's. Right there, so that'll keep me busy for a while. I got some Roman candles right here. My Kachows, my Voodoos, my Huge Babies. Then I got this 666 shot Master Gatling gun. Can't go wrong with that. Then I got 4 boxes here of 300 shot Saturn missile batteries. That'll kill some time. Then, oh, yeah. Can't forget about my Garandola. Then I got my little consumer show right there, along with the fountain. So, yep. And then got all my 2-inch NOABs and my 2-inch 12 racks. All Stargate, all the way down to the New World Order. Oh, and I got the Brown Wrap, Super Stunt, Temple of God to finish the 2-inch out. Then down to the 3-inch NOABs. The Sin City, that's a true 3-inch. If you see it, get it. Check it out. Then the Masters, and yeah, we know what that is. Then that, yeah. Yeah, I can't wait for that. And then to end the big bore, the finale for the big bore, it's going to be this bad boy right here. Optimus, we all have seen it. Yeah, we've all demoed it. Man, I cannot wait. And then another show. Got your Sky Candy. Got that. Your Gritty Pig. Right for the brand. The Ham It Up. Terp Slurper. Old school Terp Slurper. Can't go wrong with that. Then that is all going to lead up to the finale. I'm going to back up here so you guys can see it. Yeah. The Easy Money Gravedigger Motor City Rising. Team Valor Miss Me Yet, Venom, Lock It Up, Taz Attack, Lucky Charms, Wild E, and Break the Piggy Bank. Yes. And then we got a milk crate ramp, 30 shot, stuffed full of motors, ready to be fused. Let's go, Pyros. Let's do this. Get ready. Then I got my 24 rack right here. Get ready to fill it up. Since I'm probably done doing this. And then probably one of the best things of the evenings, and I demoed this the other night, so you need to check it out, is this. The Roman candle Gatling gun. Ho, buddy. Yeah. Got a case of the reloadables. Man, I can't wait. So come on, Pyros. It's our time. It's Pyro time. Step back and show you the Great Wall of Fourth. So let's get ready. Get the rest of your stash videos out. Get the rest of your demos out. And let's blow this thing up. Smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment. And subscribe if you like the content. And come on, Pyros. 2-3 more days. Let's get ready. Love you, Pyros. And enjoy your weekend. Thanks.